Hello guys, I'm Mark and this is Brew Better. I'll be brewing Taitung Mountain Valley Wash Carbonic Maceration as an iced coffee using an Aeropress, the inverted method, using 1:10 ratio dosing 15 grams of coffee to 150 ml of water and with 100 grams of ice. This coffee is ground medium fine on EK43 or 18 to 19 clicks on Comandante and will use 94 degrees Celsius of water with a water hardness of 100 ppm. So let's start brewing. First, let's take the filter cap of the Aeropress and put our filter paper and pre-wet. Okay, let's put this one aside. And then, invert the Aeropress. So, 15 grams in. And don't forget the tare. And level the grams. So, I'll be pouring 150 ml in a circular motion. And then, stir 3 times to fully saturate the coffee. So this coffee is from Taitung, Taiwan and was planted at 800 to 1,000 meters above sea level. This coffee is a typical varietal and was processed through wash carbonic maceration, meaning it involves placing harvested cherries in our airtight barrels before pumping in carbon dioxide, which create a CO2-rich environment. The CO2 allows the cherries to break down on different levels, often producing bright and winey coffees with the strong notes of red fruits. So after 1 minute and 50 seconds, let's insert the filter cap. And then flip the Aeropress to your vessel and press it down the plunger until we hear the air hiss. So I personally chose this recipe and method because it gives a darker and denser flavor, and adding the ice cubes to it to balance out the flavors. So before we'll transfer our brewed coffee, we'll try to assess first the aroma. So from the aroma, I could really smell those strong notes of red fruits. Okay, then let's transfer it to another vessel with 100 grams of ice. Then let's swirl it one time. Then let's taste it. This coffee really reminds me of sangria. The grapefruit and the red grapes are really on point. Finishing with a dry sensation similar to wine. Always remember that your best coffee is the coffee that suits you. Feel free to share with us your brewing method and experience with the coffee. Cheers, and don't stop brewing.